momentum is increasing speed. When you start going faster and then faster, it's like the snowball effect. When you have a snowball at the top of a mountain full of snow, up high because it's the highest mountain and it's colder up there, so there's snow up there, and you start out with snowball and you throw the snowball down the mountain, and as the snowball rolls down the mountain, it gets bigger, and the gravity pulls the bigger snowball, since the bigger snowball has more mass, and it starts going faster, so it starts increasing in its momentum. It starts going faster and faster. It starts speeding up. And that's what momentum is all about. This is my first word review where I talk about a word, where I review a word and tell you what I think about a word. I really like the word momentum because I think it has a lot of momentum, a lot of progress. Momentum has progress. You will get progress and revolution. You can't have revolution without momentum, because revolution is about changing things for the greater good, making things different, doing a 180 and doing things differently. That's what a revolution is. It's just change in directions of what you're doing or what people are doing. But if there's no momentum, then there's nothing to keep it different. There's no way to change it for the long term. Maybe for the short term it will be a little different for a little while, but without momentum it can't catch up to a new place, because you have to speed up and change directions at the same time to make things different. Revolution needs momentum because it takes time, but it takes too much time if you go at the same rate, the same speed as you always went in a different direction. A revolution is when you change directions, where you're going one way but then you decide to go a different way. Like say you're going this way and it's bad, or you're going this way and it's bad, but then you have to make a revolution and change direction. But if you don't have a momentum, a momentum shift, then you're not gonna be able to escape the badness that is over here that will come back after you try to pull you back with the flow of the river. Because a revolution is about going against the flow of the river. The river is the status quo of what everybody is doing, and everybody is doing it kind of thing, like, oh, we're all taking drugs, like peer pressure, oh, we're all drinking, oh, we're all doing this, oh, we're all doing that. Going with the flow, like sheep. You know the animal, lamb, sheep, they call it like the dumb animal. They go with the flow, and we are like that. All we like sheep has gone astray. We have turned everyone to his own way, and the Lord has laid on him the iniquities of us all, because we can't handle it. We can't handle the truth, and we can't handle our own filth. All our righteousness is as filthy rags. And we can't handle it, so we need God. We need revolution. We need momentum. I really love the word momentum, and I recommend you using the word momentum if you can, because momentum is all about increasing your speed and making progress, catching up in the race of life, the race of progress. You know, instead of going with a pace, it's all about going past that pace and then going faster and then going faster and then faster than before. It's like you're going a warp speed 1 in Star Trek. in a spaceship, in sci-fi, in Star Wars. You're going warp 1, and it's really fast. It's like, and then you go warp 2, and that's momentum, because you start going faster, and then you go warp 3. That's more momentum. Or you're going like 10 miles per hour, and then you have that pace, and you're going that fast on the road, on the street, on the highway, in your car, in your truck, in your van, in your automobile. You're moving, you have wheels, you're going 10 miles per hour, and then you pick up the momentum, and now you're going 20 miles per hour. You pick up the momentum again, and you accelerate. Momentum is acceleration. When you get momentum, you get acceleration, and you accelerate. You get more momentum, and now you're going 30 miles per hour, and then you're going 40 miles per hour, and then you pick up the acceleration, you pick up the momentum, now you're going 50 miles per hour, then you're going 60 miles per hour, then you're going 70 miles per hour, and each time the number gets higher, it's a multiplying progress, multiplying, like X times multiplying, because this multiplies like a tree that branches out into branches, and then smaller branches, and then into leaves and fruits, and it just spreads like cancer, or like ants, or like animals, certain animals, a lot of different animals. They have babies, like rabbits, bunch of babies, and those babies have babies. I once had mice, and they had babies, and they multiply, and there were so many of them. So it's like acceleration in the descendants, a momentum shift, and acceleration in the descendants, the babies of the people, or the animals, or the insects, or anything that's living, living beings, living creatures. They multiply, so their momentum increases, they accelerate in their population. You got so many of them, and in life we need momentum to become better people. We need to just multiply in our good qualities and character and reputation, and become better. And that's what we want. We don't want to stop. We want to accelerate. We want momentum. We want it to be good to the last drop.